Hi everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create folders or groups in Photoshop. Creating folders makes it easier to organize your file, keeping layers that belong to the same item or topic together in one folder. This way, we can turn items on and off more easily, move them around, and enjoy other benefits too. So, creating folders is essential for organizing your Photoshop files. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to click the little folder icon in the bottom right corner, rename it, for example, to vegetation, and then drag the layers into that folder. So I'll click on the first layer, then hold Shift and click the last one, so I select all three at once. Then I drag them until a blue outline appears around the folder. Another thing I'll notice is that the layers will be indented to the right here. So now I can minimize and maximize this folder whenever I want. I can also turn the eye icon off and on whenever I need to, so I can show or hide the contents of this folder. The second way is a bit more practical. So I'm going to hit Ctrl Z here, and I'll start by selecting the first layer, then with Shift I'll select the last one, so I've selected 3 layers at once. And instead of creating a folder first and dragging them in, I'm just going to use the shortcut Ctrl G. So Ctrl G will automatically put these layers into a folder. Then all you have to do is rename it to vegetation. Remember that when you create a folder, you can hit Ctrl T to edit the position, rotation, or flip it, so there are a lot of benefits to grouping these layers in our files. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next classes.